Oh, bless you, man. Bless you. Oh, thank you, man. Oh. Bro, just cancel your subscription from sneezing. Oh, yeah, man. I'm on it right now. It's on everybody's Apple subscription. You just like, look, check it out. But for a person like me, sneezing feels exquisitely delicious when you like explode in your nostrils. And if you're feeling a little naughty, you can increase the pleasure. Increase the pleasure? Yeah, like, those good ones where you're just like, oh yeah, that one made daddy really happy. Okay, man, that's just too weird, bro. Yeah, but one thing I need to tell you, do not upgrade to Sneezing Plus Pro. Why? Sweet old Michael. I thought that was a DJ. No, yeah, his sneezes are pretty sick.